Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to resolve the D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine error that you may be encountering on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So, let's jump right into it. Before we start, please note that if your computer hardware does not support DirectX 3D11 or higher, unfortunately, you won't be able to proceed with this tutorial. This is strictly a hardware limitation with your GPU or possibly your system. But if that's not an issue, I'll guide you through resolving this problem. To start, open the search menu, type in Control Panel and select it from the results. Once in Control Panel, set View By to large icons, then select the Programs section. From there, choose Programs and Features. Find the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entries. If you see multiple entries, select the first one, click on Change, then select Repair, and confirm by clicking Yes. Repeat this for any other entries you see. Once the repairs are complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart, and after the reboot, return to Control Panel and follow the same procedure for the other Visual C++ redistributable entries, if any. Open Programs and Features again, select the remaining item, click Change, then Repair, and restart the computer once more if prompted. If you don't see any Visual C++ redistributable packages listed, you can download them directly from Microsoft's website. Open your web browser, search for Visual C++ redistributable, and look for a link from Microsoft's official domain, such as learn.microsoft.com. Ensure you're downloading from a trusted Microsoft page. Once you're on the Microsoft page, download the latest version for 64-bit systems, unless you're running a 32-bit operating system, in which case, download the x86 version. For most Windows 11 users, a 64-bit download is appropriate since there isn't a 32-bit version of Windows 11. After downloading, run the file, accept the license terms, and click Install. If you see a user account control prompt, select Yes to proceed. After the installation completes, restart your computer one more time. With any luck, this should resolve the issue. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.